Let's talk about menstrual health and breast tenderness. The host greeted the WellNerds warmly and asked if they had noticed their breasts feeling a bit sore or puffy before their period. They reassured listeners that this is common and totally normal. A new year-long study shows that mild breast tenderness and swelling are part of healthy ovulatory menstrual cycles and invited everyone to break it down together. The host explained that researchers at the University of British Columbia followed 53 healthy women, aged 20 to 41, over about 13 cycles each. Everyone had regular 21 to 36-day cycles and confirmed ovulation with daily temperature tracking. They measured breast tenderness on a 0 to 4 scale, where 0 means no pain and 4 means severe. The average pre-period score was just 1.4, which is very mild. The host detailed that out of 694 total cycles, 71% were fully ovulatory, 26% had a short hormone phase, and 3% had no ovulation. Surprisingly, women with normal ovulation actually had more mild swelling and tenderness than those with disturbed cycles. After ovulation, estrogen and progesterone rise. The host explained that these hormones can cause slight fluid buildup in breast tissue, leading to that familiar mild ache or puffiness in the week before your period. The host cautioned that mild soreness is normal, but recommended seeing a doctor if you notice pain above 2 on the 0 to 4 scale, lumps that stay every month, or swelling lasting outside the week before your period. Summarizing the key takeaways, the host said that mild breast tenderness, about 1.4 out of 4, and slight swelling are normal in healthy ovulatory cycles. Hormone changes after ovulation drive these mild symptoms. There is no need to worry unless the pain is severe or persistent. Finally, the host encouraged listeners that if this helped them understand their body better, to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more simple health science. They signed off with a friendly reminder to stay curious and stay healthy, and invited everyone to see them next time on WellNerd.